All right, doing some comparables here for the property on Southwest 89th Place. Looks like it's listed at 490, pretty competitive. Already have an offer in. Let's look at the photos a little bit. Definitely updated kitchen. It's got a high-end range as well as a hood. So yeah, they've definitely done some work. I do see maybe some damage here in the cabinet area, but just overall, I think in pretty good shape. I do feel it is a little on the smaller end for you guys, but it does have the space that you guys want, but definitely not a living or a family room that you guys need. So I'd probably set on what Jason was saying is that it might be a little bit too small for you guys anyway. So valuation wise, let's go over that a little bit. Condition of the property looks pretty good. I wouldn't go as is, as there probably is some things going on with the property, but being looks like it's almost a quarter acre lot, but I think a lot of that is a flag. Um, Being a flag lot is not the most ideal as well. So just keep that in mind. So I'm not sure what the parking situation is there, but it's nice to have that cul-de-sac. Um, but I'm not sure if this is a shared driveway. But having that flag lot, it is a larger lot, but a lot of that is probably the pole section of the flag. So um, let's go over some comparables. These are probably lower end comparables, 465. These are pending, so just know that this is the actual, top of the market. 495 pending, 3 bedroom, 1 bath. So is that 495? Sold in 5 days. So market is holding its value even at the 500 range. This is sold at 400, but I do think it's let's see, 400. Not sure why that. Oh no, I'm sorry. Listed at 400, sold at 455. So 14% higher. I want to kind of go over the percentage of where they are landing. This is almost 6% higher. So that's 450 to 475 is that price. This one is almost 14% higher, listed at 430, going to 490. And these aren't. I don't think these are as updated as 89th. So let's take a look at that. So this one is a sunken living room, definitely a smaller kitchen. Um, yeah, it has that drop even in the kitchen, I think, into the living room. So that's a little awkward on that end. Um, but yeah, not too bad on that. Let's see, 465, 1,200 square foot that went to 490. So that's again 6% on that end. Cable went from 420 to 492. So again, the market is really just bringing it up into the mid 400. I mean the upper 400s. So definitely upper 400s is where we're going to be. The question is, does it reach up into the fives? And this is up to 6% on this one. And this one's definitely not as updated, but definitely 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. This one definitely has higher ceilings as well. Yeah, very comparable location. And this went all the way to 500. This is definitely updated at 490, 1,300 square foot, 4 bedroom, 1.5 bath, and still got into the price range of the 490 to 522. So we're here at a upper, the 6% area. So do I think we go over 10%? I don't think so. I think we stay within the 6 to 8% range is where I think it needs to be. Alderbrook, this is a golf course. This has a Alderbrook and Summerfield. These both have views of the golf course. It's more of a retirement, 55 and older retirement center. So these will go higher in value, and that's why. So I don't even consider those comparable. So the highest is at 522 is where I'm thinking that I don't know if I'd go as high as 522, but I do think going. Give me a second here. Yeah, I think maybe going like 500, 510 is just fine. More if you like it, 510. More if you don't like it, but you still want to try to go after it, 500 is kind of where I'd probably be. Okay. I think that's it when it comes to valuation. Yeah, but I think more than valuation, I think it's, does this house actually work for you? Being a 3 bedroom and only 1,400 square feet, I mean, I know for our first conversation, kind of just go again. I like to try to ground everybody, especially when looking at these properties. I like to ground them from what they're actually looking for. And this is probably your only living room, right? And there's really no family room in here. So you're kind of lacking space. I think having that extra 400 to 600 square feet that we're kind of in that range of looking for, above the 550, 600 range. I think you'll just be a little bit more happier, especially commuting, especially when you guys have your spaces, and when your girls get older. I do think everybody will just need a little bit more space. But that's just me. Hopefully that helps. If I was to consult you guys on whether we should go after this one, it's probably too small, in my opinion. I think overall, condition is great, location is great, but I think it may be a little too small for what you guys are really looking for. All right.